Hello friends, today I am deeply saddened and shocked to hear the news of suicide committed by one of the great actor of the current times. Today when the time in itself is very tough for each one of us. As per the media, he was under depression for about 6 months. Sushant Singh was an actor I deeply admire and I always used to like his movies, and whenever this movie called MS Dhoni comes, I always used to watch it for the mere reason that it was an inspiring story. He was a great actor. I personally liked his style, his smile, everything about him. The news of his committing suicide has disturbed me a lot within, since I work on emotional wellness, and it made me ask certain questions as to why it actually happens. Are we not available for our near and dear ones? Are the current times so grave that we want that help, but everybody just wants to talk and nobody is there to listen to you? Have we stopped listening to ourselves also? Are we living in a world where it is very difficult for us to seek help? Are our near and dear ones not available for us, or vice versa, we are not available when other people need us? Definitely name, fame, money is not everything, and they cannot buy everything. People are saying that he had everything, why he committed suicide? But in my understanding, definitely there is something he did not have which he wanted, which was very personal to him, and obviously he was not getting the support that he needed. We don't know what struggle he has been going through, and people do not seek out for help because they feel that they will be judged. We are living in current times where there is a lot of show off. Social media and increased it a lot, but reaching out for help is becoming very difficult. That is the reason there is an increased number of cases in the rate of depression and committing suicides. When your near and dear one says that they need you, that be available to them, and do not take these things lightly, because you never know what the other person is going through, what struggle they are going through. Sometimes we are able to express, and sometimes we are not even able to express these things. I want to appeal everyone to reach out to your near and dear ones. You never know who might need you, who want a lending ear. Why we reach out to the entire world when we cannot even connect to our own loved ones? When they say that they need you, be there for them. Listen to them with all your might, keeping your phone aside. Pay attention to their body language, what they are saying, what is said and what is unsaid. Your decision to be available for someone, for merely listening, can actually help save someone's life. I am not a psychologist, but I can lend an ear to people who wants to share. So with this video, I just want to pray that may his soul rest in peace. And so if you can also lend an ear, please join me in my support and cause for fight against depression. Thank you. Have a nice day. Keep dazzling. Bye-bye.